Hey, it's Scott coming to you here live again this evening now from my home here in Sugarloaf, New York. If you have not already, smash the subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video from me again. So, what you see on the screen right here is let us help you. Let us help you build your six-figure income. And that's exactly what this is about. It's very simple. It's very direct and it's to the point. So just ask yourself this. Would you like to make 800, 2400, and $4,000 per sale that the company makes for you? Ask that question. I would say yes, for sure. So make sure you stay to the end because I do have a special bonus for you where I'm not going to say it. So just stay to the end. I got a special bonus for you. I'm going to walk you through the setup process. I'm going to explain to you how simple this is, okay, and how hands off this is. Basically, if you have an hour a day, you can do this, okay? An hour a day, even if it's not every day an hour. This is about 100% hands off as it gets. So in the description, there's going to be a link that takes you right here to, and we have our pop-up here, takes you to here. All you're going to do is just put your email address in here. There's no experience needed, okay? There's no experience needed. You don't have to be techie or anything like that, all right? And then it's going to direct you over to our bridge page. This is what you call a bridge page. Don't worry, you do not have to know this. You do not have to know this. I will teach this to you while they're doing the work for you. I'll explain. And they make the phone calls for you as well. All right. So you want to make six figures online? Yes. I personally fired my boss in 2016. Yes, I was a cable guy. Now I work full time from my phone, my laptop, when I want, and an hour a day with this business. So I leverage my time to do other things. And you could do the same, such as work your job that you want to fire, okay? So after you're done watching this right here, the 14-minute, 16-second video, which explains the whole product to you, how to get started, etc., okay? And then it's going to take you over to here. You're going to come over here, and you're going to come down. You're going to click on this. And now this is what the product is. And this is where I'm going to get into some bonuses. And my bonus will be at the end, okay? Now this is let us build your six-figure income, okay? Now this product, we are an advertising company. All affiliate marketing businesses need advertising. And we have that. And we have a discount, a really, really, really discounted rate for high quality traffic, and it works. I've generated just about $80,000 with this system. Okay, so, and I do have the trophies to prove that, and I have the documentation to back it up. So, with that being said, you're going to watch this video. It's going to explain the product, how it works, how automated it is. Okay, and I'm just going to keep scrolling down here. I want to show you something. And as you can see, there's a phone number and a name. That's my name. So, what the company does for us is they answer all the questions, they do all the onboarding, they send all the payment info, and then they introduce you to us. That's how that works. So that's how hands off this is. So if you have an hour a day, go into the link in the description and get in the system here, give the phone call and tell them Scott Darvid sent you and you've seen this on a YouTube video, okay? Because you're going to get the same thing. So I did say bonuses. I just wanted to show you that. That is actually one of the bonuses. You don't need to speak to nobody, anybody, no one at all, okay? Because the autoresponder is constantly working and all we're doing is feeding it, okay? This is by far the easiest way to make six figures online. Carol, that's her. Carol D right here, okay? And look, well, let's elaborate on the bonuses. You do not need to speak to anyone. Do the selling and telling. We make the sales for you. You keep 100% of the commission as if you sold it yourself, okay? And those are 800, 2400, and 4,000. And the entry points on those is 1,000, 3,000, and 5,000 for the membership, okay? And we're getting to that because that's actually part of the bonus, okay? All right, yeah, look, bonus number 3. Have questions before joining, no problem. You can schedule a call anytime, and the owner, Bob Housden, will get on the phone with you and answer any questions that you have. It's an unbelievable system. It's so simple. And all you have to do is send eyeballs to the link, and guess what? We're getting into that momentarily, and I'm going to tell you how I'm going to start your business, all right? So here we go. You can even get cash to your mailbox, etc., okay? So, does the OCM system really work? Come on, look at this. Dan Frank F from Florida. 12,800 in just 4 days, folks. Unbelievable. Look, we do 100% of the work. You keep the commission. Crazy good concept there, and it's worked for me, and it will work for you if you're consistent with it. And I'm looking forward to meeting my new team members, okay? Let's see here. Oh, look, we have Michael C. in Alabama, 4,200 in just 3 weeks. So there's people that aren't even on here having success right now, which is amazing, okay? And there's another point of this, and look at this, 6,400 in just 1 week, Kevin C. right there. Unbelievable. Ready to start making life-changing money? Go to the link in the description below, but stay here for the bonus. We're about to switch into bonus mode. I just want to show you. There's Bob and his family, the owner, and I just wanted to show you right here. All right? You could get 0 out of pocket, so that if you want to go through here, see if you qualify, use other people's money to start your business. That's why we have it right on here. Very nice. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you the bonuses, okay? And we're going to go to the OCM members back office right here. And as you can see, I'm at the diamond, and now we've just made 40% off. So this is the $5,000 product package, okay, here, and it's traffic. So what I'm going to do for you, if you join at the gold, okay, I'm going to send you this package right here, gold, which is the 1,000. I'm going to send you 300 clicks, okay? If you start at the platinum, okay, which is the $3,000 product package, I'm going to send you 500 clicks, all right? If you start at the diamond, I'm going to send you 1,000 clicks, okay? Very simple. And this is how we make money. And all it takes is one person, and you're making $800, $2,400, and $4,000 commissions. And last, I have another bonus for you. And this is specifically for the platinum, which is the 3,000, and the diamond, which is the 5,000. You're going to get a custom branding on me, okay? And anyone going on the gold, which is 1,000, don't worry, OCM sets you up. But this is on me here. You could copy me by coming in here at the diamond. I'm sorry, at the diamond or the platinum, all right? All right, everyone. I look forward to connecting with you. So make sure you go down below right now. Smash the subscribe, hit the bell. Go down in the description here. Put your email address in here and get started. Call the team. Let them answer all your questions. And let's get rocking and rolling. Bye for now.